Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to find YTM by the Excel. So the function that is about the rate. So and that is about how many times. But we can see that this is about semi-annual. So that means we have 10 years multiplied by number 2 and that is about 20. About the payment, we have 1,000 multiplied by 9% divided by 2 because this is about semi-annual and that is about 45. The next one that is about the present value and that is about this number in here. But we need to put the negative sign. And the future value that is about the coupon and that's about the pawn rate in here. We have 1,000. And this one you got about 5%. And we need to go to this. Be careful. This one that just profile about s divided by 2 equals to 4.615%. So we want to find s because this is about semi-annual. That's why we have divided by number 2. So if you want to find the value of s, we need to put this number multiplied by number 2. And that is about this value in here. And we browse the number that is about 9.23%. And this is the answer for the question. That is the end. Thank you for watching.